Hey, this is Blake here at FTD Customs. Today I'm going to be going over some general information about our Honda CBR 929 and 954 Swingarm extensions. Alright, so if you happen to watch our Honda CBR 600 video, these are actually the exact same as far as how they work. If not, we got two finish options, our black powder coated and our raw aluminum. These are both featuring the engraving, which is no extra charge. You can have the CBR logo engraved. Once you get them mounted, your brake caliper is just going to slide in this little slot here, and once your axle nut's tightened up, that'll just keep it from moving, or rocking back and forth or anything like that. As with everything we do, there's a lifetime warranty on all this stuff. If there's ever anything wrong with it, don't hesitate to reach out to us. So what we got here is just the accessories that you can opt for with our Swingarm extensions. Right here is our standard chain. It's going to be a firepower. These are all 150 links, so you're going to have to cut links pretty much no matter what length you're stretching to, whether it's 12 inches or our shortest at 4.5. So our standard chains usually around 9,800 pounds tensile strength. We send them with boosters and everything all the time with no problems. Our EK chains are more of a race-oriented chain. If you're going to drag race all the time, it's what I recommend. I think it's about 11,300 pounds tensile strength versus the 9,800. Again, 150 links available in 520, 525, and 530. As far as our brake lines, just pretty standard. So if you're rocking an ABS bike, you only have two choices. You'll have the black and the stainless for ABS lines, and they will be 60 inches, so they'll be quite a bit longer, and that is because they're going to go from your rear caliper all the way up and bypass anything else up into your ABS module, whether that be under your seat or under your tank, depending on the model you have. And as far as for non-ABS bikes, you have all your color choices here. We got everything except purple. That's pretty much all you need to know, and it'll just be two banjo fittings on either side. That should wrap up our CBR 929 954s.